Welcome to Zhuhai Pilot Technology. Today we will introduce one of our core production line, power meters, multi-channel power meters, motor protection controllers, and smart gateways. First of all, our power meter production line covers a variety of single-phase and three-phase power meters, which is suitable for low voltage and high voltage systems. Whether it's simple energy measurements or complex power quality analysis, our meters provide high precision measurements and real-time data monitoring. Next is our motor protection controllers, which is designed specifically for low voltage motors. It integrates measurements, protections, and control functions, effectively extending motor life and reducing downtime, whether during startup or operation. It offers comprehensive protection. Our multi-channel power meters is an ideal choice for both commercial buildings and industrial applications. It supports multi-circuit measurements, enabling simultaneous monitoring of voltage, current, power, and energy consumption across multiple circuits, helping users achieve refined energy management. The Smart Gateway is the core of our IoT solution. It supports multiple communication protocols and can transmit data from electricity meters, sensors, and the other devices to the cloud or local servers in real time, enabling users to achieve remote monitoring and intelligent management. With the years of technical expertise and a global service network, Zhuhai Pilot Technology provides a comprehensive support from products to power solutions. Choose us and choose the futures of intelligent and efficient power solutions.